Hello everyone, hope you are doing good in lockdown. Today we will make peanut ladoos. For that you need peanuts, grated coconut, elaichi powder, jaggery and condensed milk. Take a pan, heat it, add your peanuts, then roast your peanuts. Remember, the purpose of this roasting is to remove the outer covering, so do not over roast them or you might get burnt flavor. You have to continuously stir them so that it helps in removing the cover. Use your hands to remove the outer covering. It's okay to have a peanut or two that still has its outer covering. Now, as you are done with removing their covers, take your mixer. Then add them in it. Finally, grind them. You should have a coarse powder. It should not be smooth. We need a coarse texture to make our ladoos. It should not be very coarse too. Now keep this aside. Take a pan and heat your jaggery. You need to stay with the jaggery as you need to break the lumps as well as take care that it does not stick to the pan. The end point of this will be determined when you take a bowl full of cold water and drop a little bit of this mixture. You can feel that the mixture will give you a texture of firm ball. It will neither be too hard nor too soft. So that point is the end point. It's the point indicating that you need to add your grinded peanuts. We'll reach that point soon. Remember, this should be flowy also. And you need to stay right there till the whole process is over. Now it's time, as it has reached the desired consistency. Take your grinded peanuts, add them, give it a good mix, lower the gas. Now add your elaichi, mix it again. Then after half a minute, add grinded coconut. Give it a good mix. After you think that it's mixed well, turn off the gas. After turning off the gas, you need to keep mixing it. Now you have to add condensed milk after cooling the contents. 2 spoonfuls will do. This step is totally optional. If you have condensed milk at your home, you can use it. It basically gives a soft texture and a little bit extra sweetness to our ladoos. Now shape them as ladoos, and there you have your peanut ladoos. Please like,